little artists! Are you ready to create something colorful and fun today? We're going to draw lipsticks with cute designs. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. First, let's draw our first lipstick. Draw a long rectangle and then add the lipstick tip at the top.
Wow!
Next, let's draw a star on this lipstick. Draw a simple star shape right in the middle of the lipstick. Now, let's draw our second lipstick. Same steps as before, a long rectangle and a tip.
Cool!
For this one, we'll draw a strawberry. Draw a small strawberry shape with little seeds on it.
Awesome!
Time for the third lipstick. Draw another long rectangle and the tip.
Wow!
This one will have lips on it. Draw a small pair of lips in the center.
Cool!
Finally, let's draw our fourth lipstick. Another long rectangle and tip.
Awesome!
And let's add a heart shape on this one. Draw a cute heart right in the middle. Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop.
Cool!
Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to bring our lipsticks to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. We will use rainbow colors to make our artwork extra special. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
Cool!
Yellow color.
Awesome!
Green color. indigo color.
Awesome!
Purple color.
Wow!
Pink color. Amazing job, little artists! Your lipsticks are colorful and fun. Keep practicing and making awesome art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Hey there, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool, a playground slider. Grab your black marker, and let's get started. Let's start by drawing the slider. Draw 2 curved lines going down from the top left of your paper to the bottom right. These lines will make up the slide where kids can zoom down for fun. Connect the bottom of the curves with a small, rounded line. Great job! Now, let's add the ladder so kids can climb up and get ready to slide. Draw 2 straight lines next to the left side of the slide. Then, add some small horizontal lines in between to make the steps. Now, our playground slider has a ladder for climbing. We're almost done. Let's add the stands that hold the slider up. Our drawing is complete. But wait, let's make it pop by outlining everything with our black marker. Trace over all the lines to make them bold and sharp. Wow! Our slider looks awesome and it's ready for some fun. Now it's time to add some color. Let's make our playground slider bright and exciting. Start coloring with me, and we'll say the colors together. First, red. Red color.
La da 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 dee.
Blue color. Pink color. Wow, look at our colorful playground slider. You did an amazing job. Don't forget to share your awesome drawings with us. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep drawing and having fun. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.